Hello and welcome guys, my name is IQD. Today I'm going to explain how can we integrate party chat with OBS, also reading from OBS itself, typing from OBS itself back. So big shout out and thanks to the party CEO. The creator helped me to get this work. There was no ability to do this without him. Thanks. So basically now we have the pop-out chat, which party did it for us after me asking him. So now we can pop out the chat and take the link of the chat. We will just go inside OBS like this. We'll go to the custom browser docs. We'll go down, we'll put the link and give it a name, party chat, for example, just like that. And we will have to click on login. We will log in with one of our accounts. So I'll be login and come back. One of the easiest things to do is to log in with your private token, but you have to keep your private token in a very safe place. Once your private token is public, you lost everything. So you can't do anything to undo this. Okay, so please keep your private token in a safer place. I'm going just to use it for faster login, so I don't need to open my social media account inside the OBS browser. Okay, I can make it to any social media account I do have linked my party with, but for the easiest solution I'm going to use the private token. So let me use it now. Come back. So here I am guys. After putting my private token, I'm going to click login. So we already logged in party chat. Let's say hi. Let's go down. Yes, as you can see, the chat is working now. To dock the chat whenever you like to, and just like that. It's super easy, less than 1 minute setup. This is all you gotta do. Please feel free to join my live streams, asking me if you're seeking for any kind of help. If you need any kind of help with technical stuff, either in party site or outside party site, you can check out my links. And more than welcome guys to ask. Please don't forget to subscribe to my playlist. I'm going to post more videos about party, also showing some support by like, share, and whatever you like to. Even the comments are welcoming guys. So also feel free to join my live streams. I hope you enjoyed this explanation, and see you later on with next video.